Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we'll be studying about blood relation, which is a part of reasoning entrance exam for class 6 and 7. So yes, let's start with blood relation. So what is blood relation? Students here will be able to know the relationship between the two people using the given information. They will learn to analyze the whole chain of relations and decipher the direct relationship between the people concerned. So blood relation can be established between two people of a family. It could be a direct relationship with your own sibling, with your own father, mother, child, wife, or with your in-laws as well. Uncles, aunts, these all are part of blood relation. Now, what is the objective of blood relation? In blood relation, certain information is given about the members of the family in the question. Based on that information, students need to find out the relationship between particular members of the family. They should have the knowledge of blood relation in order to solve these questions. Now, we'll go through some relationship on the maternal side. Maternal side means mother's side. Now, mother's father is called as maternal grandfather. Mother's mother is called as maternal grandmother. Mother's brother is called maternal uncle. Mother's sister is called aunt. Children of maternal uncle is called cousin, and wife of maternal uncle is called maternal aunt. So we can find the difference in the maternal and the paternal side is that see, father's father, it is in the next slide. Father's father is called grandfather. Mother's father is called maternal grandfather. So only to differentiate it, as we have mentioned as maternal grandfather, but grandfather is common term for both mother's father as well for father's father. Now, father's mother is called grandmother. Father's brother is called uncle, and mother's brother is also called uncle, but here we have mentioned as maternal uncle. Father's sister and mother's sister both are aunt, and children of both the side of uncles, like maternal or paternal, both side are called cousin. Wife of all the uncles are called aunt, and children of all the aunts is called cousin. Cousin is a common word for either male or female. Both the cousins, both the gender have are termed as cousin only. Husband of aunt is uncle. It is common for both the sides. Now this is a generation flow chart. It is from first generation to the next. So suppose first generation is grandfather, grandmother, maternal grandfather, maternal grandmother. So this is for paternal and maternal side both. Second generation would be your mother, father, uncle, aunt, maternal uncle, maternal aunt. Third generation will be yourself. So here we are considering ourselves as a third generation. So we have in our age group, we have sister, brother, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, husband, all this. Generation 4 will be means someone younger than us. We will be from the next generation. A large generation gap will be there. A proper generation gap will be there. So in the fourth generation, it will be son, daughter, nephew, and niece. Now let's go through some examples. So example 1 is Rahul is the brother of Sonia. Sonia is the mother of Keshav. How is Keshav related to Rahul? So what we have to do, how to start solving these blood relations questions. See, for the younger kids like you, it's easy for kids of 9th standard and other standard, but younger kids like class 6 and 7, first you have to make a flow chart from the first line itself. Like Rahul is the brother of Sonia, so just write R is the brother of Sonia. Then here I have mentioned Rahul is the brother of Sonia, so I have mentioned plus as male. Okay, Sonia as female, minus. Okay, now Sonia is the sister of Rahul. Explanation will be Sonia is the sister of Rahul and Keshav is the son of Sonia. Sonia is the sister of Rahul and Keshav is the son of Sonia. That means Sonia is the mother of Keshav. So Keshav is the son of Rahul's sister. Keshav is the son of Rahul's sister. So he is a nephew to Rahul. He is a nephew to Rahul. Any son of your sister or brother will be your nephew. Any daughter of your brother or sister will be your niece. So here we have the answer as nephew. Now, Pointing to a man, a lady said, his mother is the only daughter of my mother. How is the lady related to the man? Pointing to a man, a lady said, his mother means a lady is pointing to a particular man, and to him he's saying that that man's mother is the only daughter of my mother, is the only daughter of my mother. So how is the lady related to the man? For a few questions, I have prepared the flow chart. So you have to make the flow chart according to that only. And I will just quickly discuss the rest of the questions because that has already been discussed in the class. So this is just for your revision purpose. Okay. So the only daughter of lady's mother is the lady herself. Okay, so according to the question, the correct explanation is the only daughter of lady's mother is the lady herself. So she is the mother of the man. You can make all that, as I told you, just go through the statement wise. First statement, make one flow diagram. Second, just add up the flow diagram and you will eventually get the answer. So here the answer is she is the mother of the man. Now Puneet is the brother of Akshay and Kanak is the sister of Akshay. How is Puneet related to Kanak? See, Puneet, right? Puneet is brother of Akshay. Okay, just start making the flow chart from the first line itself. So it will be easy for you. So just write down brother of Akshay. Kanak is the sister of Akshay. So how Kanak and Akshay are related? She is the sister. So that means Puneet, Akshay and Kanak, they all are brother and sister. Okay, so answer will be, how is Puneet related to Kanak? He will be the brother. Correct answer will be brother because they both are interrelated by blood, having a blood relation. So they are brother and sister. Now proceeding to the next question. Pointing to a man, a lady said, his mother is the only daughter of my mother. How is the lady related to a man? So pointing to some man, what a lady is saying, that man's lady. Okay, I'll just give you a flow chart. That man's, his mother, that particular man's mother, I'll say minus, okay, is the only daughter, now lady of the lady. Just talking about the lady reference. She is the mother, okay, of the man. This has been pointed for the man, that man's, okay, the only, this man pointing to this particular man, she's saying that his mother is the only daughter of my mother. This particular lady is the only daughter of her mother. So what will be the answer? The only daughter of lady's mother is lady herself. So she is the mother of the man. So what will be the correct answer? She will be the mother of the man. So first option will be correct. Now, so this is the method that you have to start drawing a flow chart kind of thing from the line, from the first line itself. That will eventually lead you to the correct answer, correct response. Okay, now Q's mother is the sister of P and daughter of M. S is the daughter of P and sister of T. How is M related to T? So this is a bit confusing question. So just to start drawing the flow chart. Now, Q's mother is the sister of P. We'll start with Q's mother. So mother, I'm writing mother, is the, suppose this dot is someone. Q's mother is the sister. This particular person, this dot is sister of P. Okay, and daughter of M. So this particular dot is daughter of M. So from this three line, what we got? Q's mother, this particular dot is sister of P and daughter of M. S is the daughter of P and sister of T. Now, someone named S is the daughter of P, and sister of T. This S is sister. This S is sister of T. Okay, daughter and sister. So how is M related to T? Now we have to find the relationship between these two guys. Okay, these two, M and T. So M, we don't have any gender. Okay, we are not mentioned. We have not been specified with any gender. What does gender does M hold? So since S is the sister of T, so what will be the direct relationship? Please notice this from the flow chart. This will be either grandfather or grandmother. Since we are not aware of the gender, it is not being specified in the question. So will eventually lead to the D option. The correct option will be D. Please make the flow chart again and again. I'm mentioning that will eventually lead you to the correct answer. Now moving on to the next question. Okay. Pointing to a man in a photo, women said his brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. How is the women related to the man in the photograph? So women, let's start making the flow chart. The women, we are talking about the women here. She's talking about this particular women in a man in a photograph. She's talking about some man in photograph. Okay, so I'm just writing man in photo. You can write whole statement, whatever you like. Okay, so pointing to the man is in the photograph, a woman said his brothers, that man's, I'm writing brother's father, that man's brother's dot father. Okay, father is the only son of my grandfather, is the only son of my grandfather. So here again it will be father. Okay. How is the woman related to the man in the photograph? So his brother's father is the only son of my grandfather, women's grandfather, this particular grandfather. Okay, so how is the woman related to the man? Easy. The woman is the sister of the man. His brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. His brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. So how is the woman related to the man in the photograph? She will be the sister. Okay. So just to start making the flow chart, you will get your answers. The flow chart will lead to your answers. So this way you are supposed to find the answers. Okay. Now the next session is pointing to a man on the stage. Rita said he is the brother of the daughter of the wife of my husband. How is the man on the stage related to Rita? Now, brother, it's very easy question. So he is the brother of the daughter of the wife of my husband. So brother of the daughter means son. Okay, brother of the daughter means son. Wife of her husband means herself. So man is the son of Rita. So man will be the son of Rita. Correct option will be son. Okay. Now, pointing towards a boy, Veena said, he is the only son of my grandfather. It's very easy. He is the only son of my grandfather. The only son of Veena's grandfather is her father, and the son of her father is her brother, because it's talking about the male, okay, all the male generation. So the only son of Veena's grandfather is her father, and the son of her father is her brother. Okay, so option will be B, brother. B, brother. Okay. The next question is, a woman introduces a man as the brother of her, as the son of the brother of her mother. How is the man related to the women? Okay, so you can make a flow chart here. Okay, so women's introduces a man. She introduces a man as the son, as the son of the, suppose someone named X, of the brother of women's mother, of women's mother. Okay, this particular woman, what she's introducing. Okay, so this woman is introducing a man as the son of the brother of her mother. Okay, so from the above, what is the relationship between the man and the women? They both will be the cousins. Okay, the correct option will be C, cousin. Please just start seeing the first line and start making the flow chart. That will definitely lead you to the correct answers. There are many students who have the problem in framing the flow chart or just finding out the correct answer, because they get confused after the second line or second statement. So that's it. That is the easiest thing you can do. Start making the flow chart. You will eventually get your answers. Now, Ramesh is the brother of Amit. Sushma is the sister of Satish. Amit is the son of Sushma. How is Ramesh related to Sushma? According to question. Okay, according to question. Ramesh is the brother of Amit. Sushma is the sister of Satish. Amit is the son of Sushma. How is Ramesh related to Sushma? So the question was, the Ramesh is the brother of Amit, Sushma is the sister of Satish. So we have to find the, make the flow chart according to the first line starting. Ramesh is the brother of Amit. Ramesh is the brother of Amit. So what is will be the flow chart here? They both are having a relationship of brothers. Sushma is the sister of Satish. So now Ramesh and Amit, and now Sushma and Satish. Sushma and Satish. Okay. So this is sister. Now the next line is, Amit is the son of Sushma. Amit is the son of Sushma. This is son. That means Ramesh is also son of Sushma, because Ramesh and Amit are brothers. So, and since Amit is the son of Sushma, so Ramesh is also son of Sushma. Now, how is Ramesh related to Sushma? It is asking the same question, right? So, Ramesh will be the son of Sushma. The correct option will be third, son. Okay, easy. Just make the flow chart and you will get your answer. Okay, now. The next question we have, pointing to a woman in the photograph, Rajesh said, the only daughter of her grandfather is my wife. How is Rajesh related to that woman? So according to the question, she pointing to a woman, somebody, Rajesh is saying, I'll make the flow chart. Pointing to a woman. Okay. Rajesh is saying, pointing to a woman, that the daughter of her grandfather, the women's grandfather, daughter of that women's, okay, the daughter of women's grandfather. Suppose the daughter of her grandfather, women's grandfather, I'll make here, writing GFT as grandfather. Now her daughter, this is daughter, that suppose let it be X. Okay, let it be X. So daughter of her grandfather is my wife. Of her grandfather is my wife. This particular X is Rajesh's wife. Okay, so now it is asking, how is Rajesh related to that woman? Now it is asking the relationship between the Rajesh and that woman. Simple. what it will be. So the correct answer to this question will be the father. Okay, this particular woman will be daughter. That means Rajesh will be her father. So this way you can find out the answers by making the flow chart. Okay. I have already taught it in the class, so it's for a revision purpose. I'm explaining it in first one line, or in a single flow chart. So please note down all the flow charts, make all the flow charts in order to solve questions properly. This flow chart will only help you to find the correct answers. This is the easiest method you can do, because this cannot be remembered. All you have to remember or learn is like, what is the relationship, what are in-laws called. It's not easy for you guys, I understand. What are in-laws called, what is cousin called, my uncle's son, uncle's daughter. So this is some basic things you have to learn, and then you have to just make the flow chart. So that's it for today. We'll continue with this particular unit in the next session as well, in the next video I'll make. Till then, take care, goodbye, and please subscribe.